talking about online shopping.
U.S. Treasuries ticked higher as equity investors scurried for the sidelines after several tech companies slashed their outlooks and revived worries about
Lucy, did you order anything? Yes, I ordered headphones from Amaze. I think it will arrive today. I think this is your order. Did you pay online? Yes, I did. Wow. So Amaze allows you to pay for a product through Visa? Exactly. That's why so many people from different countries can buy on Amaze. It's a global shopping website. Ah, I see. So, are you gonna unbox your headphones now? Definitely. I've been waiting for my headphones for a week. Look at the front of the box. It says, "Fragile, handle with care." I hope that my headphones won't be broken. The box of the headphones is torn, like it was gnawed by mice. Let's check the headphones. Phew! Nothing's broken. But they didn't give you any cables to charge these headphones. Really? But let me check the sound quality first. Is it a Bluetooth headphone? Yes, I'm testing the Bluetooth now. How was it? I didn't hear anything. It seems like you bought a shoddy Bluetooth headphone. One of my friends introduced this shop to me. He also bought a computer mouse, and it works well. The quality has been going downhill, I guess. Does Amaze allow you to return this item? I think they will let me return this item within 7 days. I will message the shop I bought about my problem. I think I got scammed, Amy. That shop didn't pay you back or something? I sent them a complaint email, but they didn't reply to me. The shop account also disappeared on Amaze. I think they've blocked me. What should you do now? Should we contact Amaze? Never mind. I bought it with 50% discounts on Amaze Day. Those headphones are not a big deal to me. What is Amaze Day? It's a sales event on the Amaze website. You can get a lot of good deals at this event. That's cool. Yeah. But I'm not so lucky this time. It's gonna be a life lesson for me. Yeah, I think you should read the review before buying something. I will create another account and give them 2 stars out of 5 stars for the headphones. Worst product I've ever bought. What's wrong with you, Tom? You seem tired and irritated.
Maybe you're right.
I just received a pair of shoes I bought on a fashion website last week. And now I regret it.
Can I ask why?
It's a long story. I found that website via a pop-up ad while surfing the internet. The way they advertise their products is really persuasive. I clicked on the link of this website and browsed for shoes.
Wow, their website looks cool. So many types of shoes.
Nah, don't be tricked by internet images. I've just got my order now and I'm really disappointed. Let me show you my shoes.
Oh dear. The color seems faded. It doesn't look like a red pair, but rather like a pink one.
That's right. And when I wore them, it felt painful and tight. I didn't feel comfortable.
Poor you.
That's not the end of the story.
What else?
When I asked for the size of the shoe before buying, the seller saw my message, but they didn't reply until the next day. All I got was, "Sorry, we ran out of this size." Can you believe it? Like I had been waiting for a day just to be confirmed that they didn't have the size I was looking for.
Who would have thought?
Yeah, their customer service was a nightmare to me. I had to choose another pair of red shoes from that shop. Also, the seller was not so enthusiastic in advising me of any other products. I didn't understand why I kept buying a pair of shoes at a high price on that website.
What rotten luck! I don't know what to say, my friend.
I'm fine. Never mind. I guess I just learned from what happened.
Yeah, never buy a product through pop-up ads. And always shop on credible shopping websites.